Greetings, fellow wargamers. This is Johannes from Dust War Journals, bringing you a Dust 1947 unboxing. This time it's the Luftwaffe Raketentruppe Tank Hunter Squad for the Axis block. So let's take a closer look at this unit. And let's take a look at what we get in this box. We get a bunch of plastic, we get some more plastic, and we get the unit card. As you can see, 9 points, all are flying, and they also have the grenade rule for specific units. So let's take a look at the stats for this. So, the Raketentruppe Tank Hunter Squad, like all the flying Raketentruppe units, they have a move of 3 and a march move of 6, and they're soldier 1. And they're flying, so these guys are extremely mobile. They also have 2 bazookas with range 4, which does quite decent damage, even all the way up to vehicle 7, and they have unlimited ammunition as opposed to the 2 Panzerfausts that we see down at the bottom there. And they also have 3 assault rifles, which are basically the standard assault rifles for the Luftwaffe. Also with range 4. So these are mobile and they have pretty decent range on their weaponry. As you can see, the bazookas also have range 4, while the Panzerfausts only have range 3. So let's look at the actual models themselves. First up we have this box, and in here we have all the actual figures themselves. So as you can see, these guys are pretty detailed. This is one of the Panzerfaust guys. And they have this hole in their jetpacks. That's where the stands are going to come in. Next guy, here's another Panzerfaust soldier. So basically the same armaments. Here's a guy with only a machine gun. And then we have the big bazooka, so the Panzerschrecks, which they were used to be called back in the old cards. This is the unlimited ammo anti-tank gun. And finally, the second one. Really, really cool. And of course, finally, we get the flying stands. Not much to say there. Just a acrylic peg on a standard dust base. And there you have it, mounted on their flying stands. Now, I personally love this little unit. This is one that I've been waiting for to kind of round out my Luftwaffe army. They are definitely an anti-tank squad. They can do a ton of damage to vehicles of all shapes and sizes, and with their superior speed and maneuverability, they are perfect hit and run kind of squad. So, very nice little kit, very nice little package. If you like this video, please leave a like or a comment or subscribe to the YouTube channel. And you can always find more content like this over at dustwarjournals.com. And that's all for this video. Johannes out.